Welcome to our YouTube channel, Global Chartist. My name is Tarun Kalia. So, before we start this video, I would like to say Happy Republic Day to you all. And today's video is on investment pick. I will share new company which I came across. And before that, in my last video of investment picks, I shared about India Cements. So, in that video, after my video, the company has gone up by 6%, and news also came in of that Mr. Radhakrishnan Damani increased his shareholding in the company. So that is also one of the positive point of that for that company. Now, for today's video, we will talk about new company. The name is Gati. Okay, so this company is basically into logistics. So currently Gati is trading at 94 rupees, and if we talk about the future of logistic industry, so see, this industry has a good potential. Reason being, now due to COVID-19 also, we are preferring more online shopping. Like we are ordering groceries also from online players like Amazon, Grofers, Big Baskets, etc. So that is why these logistics companies are doing will do more good business, means they have a good future also. And now if we talk about the fundamentals first, then we will talk about the technical of Gati. So see, now this company has established in 1989. They have a more reach in South India, southern parts of India, okay, as comparison to northern parts. So now for fundamentals, if I say, the very positive point was that if we check the shareholdings, okay, so in shareholding in 2019, the promoter holding was only 14%, and the pledged shares were 64%. Promoter pledged his 64% of the holding. But in June 2020, after this COVID thing, suddenly the picture has been changed, and now the promoter holding is 51% and pledge has gone down by 5%, which is a very positive point. And still in December 2020 quarterly, when they updated, so that is unchanged, and that is the pledged is same 5.01%, and the holding is 51.9%. Very positive point. This is one of the turnaround of the company, you can say. Okay, and apart from that, this company is also dividend paying. Means I follow this part that company should always be dividend paying when we are going for an investment. See, this is a company's dividend paying. Into 2020, they didn't pay a dividend. Reason being maybe due to COVID-19. Otherwise, in almost every year, they paid a dividend of 40% of the face value, and the quarter on quarter profit also increasing slightly, so that is also one of the positive point. If we check, yeah, see the growth in net profit with increasing profit margins, so their margins has also increased, and growth has, and the net profit also increasing now. So fundamentally sounds good. Now we will check on technical also. Okay, so for technicals, see, this is daily chart of Gati. Okay, so on daily chart also, this stock is on verge of breakout. इस स्टॉक के अंदर ट्रायंगल बुलिश ब्रेकआउट फॉर्म हो रहा है. वॉल्यूम्स आर आल्सो गुड, and there's a possibility on that daily chart, means on a very short term also it is showing a good upside with the support at 85. Okay, and now because this is an investment pick, so there is no point of looking at the daily. But although the stock is giving a breakout on daily also, so I have shared with you. But otherwise, I'm keen to focus on monthly and weekly charts. So for the larger time frame, if I say, so Gati has uh, given a breakout on weekly chart also, and they have retested the breakout level recently. Okay, so most probably what I feel is that investment to be done. Uh, Wait, I'll update. See, the investments to be done in Gati on dip till 75 rupees. Currently, it is trading at 94. We can we can add up in parts till 75 rupees, and possible targets which I find is 120, 130, 150, and if sustains above 150, so then there is a possibility of more upside towards 185 and 200 plus. So, and for the in the and at the downside, the support, the major support is at 55 rupees, and apart from 55, the major support is at 36 rupees. But I don't think so. I think the for the investment purpose, I think 55 is okay to for the support, and the can test the upside levels I've already shared: 125, 130, 150, and above 150 we can see more potential if sustains above 150 also. So on technical grounds also, the stock has shown a good consolidation, and after consolidation of approximately 2 years, the stock has shown a good breakout. And apart from that fundamental ground also, I have shared that companies turnaround. We have seen that pledge was promoter pledge stocks were 64% in 2019, and now after 1 year it's only 5%, which is a very positive point. Now you can also research before investing, and you can look for this company. This sounds good, so you can look for it. And please don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link has been given in the below description. Thank you.